Consequences of total internal reflection. A diamond glitters. Diamond has higher refractive index, which is 2.417. The more refractive index, more glitters. The more the number of cuts, more the fine diamond. It glitters more. An air bubble in water appears shining because of total internal reflection. The speed of light inside the air bubble is faster than in water. The reason why the air bubble appears to be like a mirror is that the light gets reflected around the outside of the bubble. So it appears shining and it appears like a mirror. This is also due to total internal reflection. The upper surface of water contained in a glass beaker and held above the eye level appears silvery. The rays of light entering in water from below suffers refraction. If these rays strikes the water air surface at an angle which is greater than 48 degree, they get totally internally reflected. These rays on emerging out of water appears to come from upper surface of water, which in turn appears silvery. So due to that, the above line appears silvery. Mirages are formed in desert due to total internal reflection of light at layers of air of different densities. Due to the different densities, the light rays refract more, and if refraction exceeds critical angle, total internal reflection takes place and it leads to mirage. The images are formed in cold countries due to looming. It is an optical illusion which occurs usually in very cold regions. In looming, a distant ship moving in polar areas appears to be hanging in mid-air due to atmospheric refraction and total internal reflection of light rays.